Hello, this is Lance with Rive, and today we're going to use data values to control the colors of the objects in our scene. Then we're going to use a converter to create lighter and darker variations of that color. That way we can change just one color value and our entire design will adjust accordingly. So here I've got my main view model, which is attached to my main artboard, and I have my skull color and heart color. I am going to select my three skulls and bind that skull color to the color property. I'm going to do the same thing with my heart color. And if I click this toggle right here, we can preview those bound colors. You can see everything turns black. Let's change this one to pink. Let's change this one to that blue color. A converter is a way to transform a data-bound value. For example, you might convert a number to a string. In this case, we're going to use a script to create a custom converter. So let's click here to create a new converter script. And the important part of this is this convert function. What it's going to do is going to take an input, which is that data value, and then output a new value. And I'm going to use the AI agent to help me to create this script or update this script. And I'm going to say create a lightness input with a value between -100 and 100. On convert, return a darkened or lightened version of that color. All right, let's see what it created. We have our new converter and it has a lightness value with an input of number. Down here in convert, it is going to clamp that between the values we specified. It's going to create a new output data value color. And within that value, it's going to adjust the channels for red, green, blue, and alpha according to our lightness, and then put that final data value color. Now let's go to our data panel, and we're going to create a couple of new converters using instances of this lightness converter script that we created. So we create a new converter of type script, and we're going to call this one darken. And we're going to create another one, and we're going to call it lighten. And lighten, we're going to set the lightness value to 50, and for darken, we're going to set the value to -50. Now we can go to our stage. We can apply that value to our selected color. Update bind. Darken, and let's re-add that toggle, and then here we're going to update that bind, and we are going to add lighten. Let's do the same thing for the hearts. Darken and lighten. Now, if I go to my data and I adjust these colors, you can see that if I change just the one color, it's going to adjust all of them with the darken and the lighten applied to them.